Hi, my name is Babing V. Velasco from Cabalawan, Lawak, Pangasinan, and I'm here today to discuss to you the Internet of Things. First of all, what is Internet of Things? Internet of Things, IoT, refers to a system of interrelated physical objects that are embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other devices and systems over the Internet. These things vary from smart home devices such as thermostats to complex industrial machinery and transportation systems. Next, I will discuss to you the advantages. First, convenience. IoT devices automate tasks, allow for remote control, and provide customized experiences. Imagine remotely controlling home lighting and temperature, getting notified about package deliveries, or smart appliances, managing energy consumption. Easier always means better and helps in improving our lifelong and an efficient way. Next, efficiency and productivity. IoT improves processes and cuts down on waste, enhancing productivity across industries. In agriculture, smart sensors track crop health, driving precision irrigation and fertilization. In manufacturing, machines connected to the Internet of Things can predict when they need to be serviced, and scheduling such maintenance helps keep downtime to a minimum. Next, health and wellness. Wearable IoT devices, fitness bands, smart swim watches, monitor fitness, sleep patterns, and provide vital body signals, producing relevant wellness data. As a result, smart medication dispensers confirm accurate and timely medication intake, and remote patient monitoring systems widen access to healthcare and make it more efficient. And lastly, safety and security. Although security is an issue, as mentioned below, IoT can improve safety. Home security smart systems can detect the intruders and alert the authorities. And these advantages of IoT. First, security threats. The nature of interconnected IoT devices presents vulnerabilities. A single compromised device can open the doors to an entire network, which could result in data breaches, identity theft, and system disruptions. That remains a crucial problem, especially with the more widespread use of Internet of Things devices in critical infrastructure. Next, privacy issues. IoT devices gather significant quantities of private data, which can lead to privacy issues. Such information is exploitative for targeting advertising, profiling, and surveillance without users' informed use. Sensitive information exposed through data breaches can cause substantial damage. Next, complexity and interoperability. The vast number of IoT devices and protocols can create complexity and interoperability challenges. Many things must come together properly, and this usually requires specialized knowledge and expertise. Such complexity can also complicate debugging and maintenance. Next, cost. There can be significant initial costs associated with purchasing IoT devices and building infrastructure. Continual maintenance and updates can also contribute to costs, making IoT out of reach for some users. And lastly, dependence and reliability. Overdependence on IoT devices can lead to dependence and reliability. System breakdowns or internet blackouts can cause global services to be disrupted. A disruption that in turn can affect ordinary life and potentially wreak havoc. And I will share my personal insights on using IoT in my daily life. I know you would say IoT cannot be deployed in a home, so on and forth. Others and have a very peaceful life with IoT privacy. But I do find on occasion some fancy IoT devices that offer some convenience nice. Automated systems that control lighting and temperature make the home a comfortable and energy efficient space. But I am aware of the security and privacy risks. For this reason, I always research devices before purchasing one and tend to focus on devices that I'm familiar with and whose data handling practices align with my needs and priorities. I keep firmware and software current to eliminate weaknesses. As a result, ultimately, whether one decides to incorporate IoT into their daily lives will be a careful balancing act between convenience, security, and privacy. The rewards are great, but the risks should be managed proactively. In my conclusion, the Internet of Things has the capability to transform how we live, work, and connect with the world. And this does a disruptive technology. The benefit of continued viability, efficiency, and health outcomes cannot be overstated, but we cannot ignore the risk regarding security, privacy, and dependence. My opinion, IoT is a double-edged sword. It has the power to enhance society in countless ways before us. Yet, with that comes challenges that need to be countered. It is about balance, about the responsibility of knowing that we must demand both of safe use of IoT and the use of IoT for good. That's all. Thank you for listening and watching. Have a nice day.